Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's G Revolution. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be giving you some great tips on writing and some interesting perspectives on writing. In this video, we're going to talk about emotion. So basically, and again, everything I bring to you, I'm bringing from a personal experience. So what I've learned is when you write a story, people will read your stuff subjectively. They would see things or they would read things in a way that makes sense to them. But one thing that I've learned and I support even right now, if I if I write something and you read it and it evokes some emotion in you, whether you angry, angry about what you read, or whether you didn't like it, it made you uncomfortable, that's really a good thing for a writer. If you're able to write something that's going to get some type of emotional reaction from anybody, it doesn't matter what that emotional reaction is, in my opinion, then you've done your job as a writer. When I released my first book, I had a couple family members that read the book and they weren't very happy with me about the book, about the story. I mean, it was a story based. It was a true story based on my life or whatever. But instead of me really feeling some type of way, I really kind of felt like, well, I'm glad they didn't like it. I didn't like it either. You know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, the story was true, and it wasn't the most comfortable material. So if you didn't like it, I didn't like it either. You know what I'm saying? But what I knew was because you didn't like it, I knew what I wrote, you felt it and it made you uncomfortable and I was okay with that. So as a storyteller, as an author, when you write, make sure that you're being true to yourself as an author. Make sure you're being true to what you're writing and block out what you think everybody is going to think. It doesn't matter. Stay true to your story, no matter what. Stay true to what you're putting on that page. And I guarantee you, that story, if you're true to it, that story will take you a lot further than the few people that's going to tell you that they're not going to like it. Because for some people, it don't matter what you put on the picture, they're not going to like it. They going to be on no matter what, and that could range from many different other reasons. But if you're true to your writing and your storytelling and yourself, then that's all that matters, and that story will last forever. People can pick up my first book now, and it's so relevant today because I was honest and I was truthful when I wrote it. So evoking emotions in others, no matter what type of emotion it is, you have done your job as a writer. That is your job as a writer, is to touch those who read it. That is your job. I'm going to just tell you another quick thing. When I used to perform poetry, there was this girl that I met who was also a performer. And I remember she said to me, she said, well, you know what? No one should feel, after I get through performing, no one should feel good about themselves with the things that I have to say. And she knew that when she got on stage to perform her piece, she wasn't writing poetry to make you feel good about yourself. And she knew that, and that always stuck with me. That no one, because she was speaking the truth about a lot of things. And in her mind, she was like, okay, I'm not here to sugarcoat anything for you. If you don't like my pieces, you're not supposed to like them. But I'm here to bring you the knowledge and the information, and you can take that and do what you want with it, but you don't have to like it. And so I said it to you as a writer, that when you write a story, if you're giving them the knowledge and information and the story that is relatable and somebody read it and choose not to like it or be uncomfortable with it, that's not your problem. That's not your problem. I'm D Revolution. Please like and subscribe to my page. Like this video so others can get it. Push the algorithms up. Writers, we have to really take over and really put the knowledge in our stories. Share this video. Let's make it happen. I'm D Revolution. Peace.